Hi guys, it's Miss Laura. We're going to work today on dynamic subtraction on the bead frame. Now, your bead frame, if you're doing subtraction, is probably a lot smaller than this. But I already let my small bead frame out to somebody, and so all I have left is the big bead frame. So just ignore these rows here. We're not going to touch them. This is the part we're going to work with, only going up to 1,000, okay? 9,000 actually, but you know what I mean. All right, even though this is dynamic subtraction, we're going to start with static subtraction so you can remember what we're doing. I wrote my terms down too because sometimes I forget what they are. So remember, minuend minus the subtrahend and you get the difference. Those are our terms. So the first thing I'm going to do is build my minuend. 6,000, hard to do this backwards. 6,374. That's what I'm going to put on my board first, right? So I was going to start with the thousands, but I shouldn't do that. I should always start with my units. So I'm going to put on 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4 units. 7 tens. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 hundreds. 1, 2, 3. And 6 thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6,374. That's my minuend. Okay, now I'm going to take my subtrahend away, and this is static. I don't have to exchange anything. Starting with our units, I'm going to take 2 units away. 1, 2. And put them back. Now I'm going to take away 2 tens. 1, 2. I'm going to take away 100. And I'm going to take away 2 thousands. 1, 2. And what I'm left with, if you can see, it's not the best background here, but what I've got left is 4,252. I'm going to write that down. 2 in my units, 5 in my tens, 4, no, not 4, that's adding, 2 in my hundreds right here, and 4 in my thousands. 6,374 minus 2,122 is 4,252. All right, now we're going to try some dynamic. Let's see what happens when we have to exchange. So I'm going to erase my subtrahend and make a new one. Reset my board. Frame, not board, my frame. All right. I'm actually going to keep the same minuend, but I'm going to come up with a different subtrahend. So 4,726. Okay. Now I'm going to do 6,374 minus 4,726. Okay, I'm going to build my minuend first, same as when I did static subtraction, okay? So, 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, and 6 thousands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now I need to take away 6 units. Okay, let's start taking them away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh, I ran out. What am I going to do? I'm going to exchange. Push these over. My fingers are going to cross. I just exchanged this 110 bead for all of these guys, okay? What was I at? 4. Oh, man. You guys do this too sometimes, I know. You lose track of where you were. I forgot. Sometimes I write it down. I'll write it down this time. I forgot how many I had already moved. So I'm going to start over. I moved my 4 back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. Okay. And I have left here 8. Okay. Now I have one less here than I used to. I used to have 7 here, but now I only have 6 because I exchanged 1. And I need to take 2 away. 1, 2. I need to take away 7 hundreds. 1, 2, 3. I'm out. So I better exchange. I was at 3. Exchange. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm at my thousands. I did have 6 here, but I had to exchange 1. So now I only have 5 because I had to bring some of them up here. So now I have to take 4 away from the 5 I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I have left is the difference. So let's start with the units. I have 8 units left. I have 4 tens left. Oh, my markers are rolling everywhere. I have 6 hundreds left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds. And I have 1,000 left. So my answer, the difference is 1,648. 6,374 minus 4,726 equals 1,648. Okay, if you have questions, you can call or email or text or FaceTime or whatever, me and Em. We're here for you to answer those. You can practice this as much as you want until you're feeling really comfortable on it. Once you're feeling really good, then I'm going to show you how to write it down as you go so that then you'll be able to do it without the bead frame at all and just with pencil and paper. Okay, bye. See you later.